Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about properties panel in UiPath Studio. So let's begin. The first thing we will add a activity in main screen. Okay. Now after the adding the activity, we need to click on the activity so we can see all the properties of that. Okay. So as you can see, there are multiple properties like display name, automatically close after, button, caption, text, and many more. Okay. So let's go one by one. So the first thing first is display name. Okay. So when you hover your cursor in the name of display name, you will see the description of that property. Okay. It says the name displayed for the activity in the designer panel. Okay. Basically, uh, this is the panel. Okay. Activity panel. Okay. And here is the name given message box, so you can change that name to any other name you want. Okay, for example, text box, so you can change it. It got changed. Okay, why this is useful is when you are using a multiple activities in same panel. Okay, then you need to go step by step with the process. For that you need a display name of that activity, so this is useful for that, and you can change it from here also by double clicking on it and just type here message box. Okay, okay, done. Now let's type here text. So there are three ways of typing the text. Okay, the first is um like from here. Okay, I am or I am robot. Okay, now you can type it from here also. And the third way is to open the expression editor to type a lengthy message. You can open this thing also. Okay, and if you don't know, one more important note, if you want to know thoroughly about these properties. Okay, what are these properties and what is the use of this, what you can do is you can just right click on that activity and just click on help, and you can get the brief detail of that activity of that property panel. Okay, now head back to the UiPath Studio. Let's run this message. Okay, as you can see, it got displayed like I am a robot message. Okay, so that it got text displayed in that message properly. Okay, now in the caption is used for uh, to give a title to that message box. So let me show you an example. Okay, so important message, let's give this caption. Okay, and run it again. So it got displayed here. As you can see, important message has been displayed here. Okay, at the title. Okay, so the caption is used for that. Now add some buttons. Okay, so we can add a button for that message like yes, okay, okay, cancel, yes, no, cancel, yes, no. Okay, so let's add yes, no, cancel button. Okay, and run the file again. As you can see, these three buttons has been added: yes, no, and cancel button. Okay, so this is the use of that button property. Okay, now the automatically close after. Okay, so basically when you run any activity, okay, and you need to close that after some time automatically, then you can use this activity. It called you can use this property, it called time span. Okay, after close after. Okay, so let me add a 3 second of time here. So after 3 seconds it will close automatically. So let's run this. As you can see, after 3 seconds it will close automatically. Now the private is what, now the private property, the private is used for when you do this kind of activities, or this kind of when you create this message box. Okay, so sometimes the user credentials can be pop up in front of uh, uh, anyone. So if you don't want that no need to happen like that. Okay, so what you can do is you can click on this private. Okay, so it will not pop up the user credentials or user password or something from the message box. Okay, it will keep private. uh, okay, now the what is say the this one, topmost. Okay, so topmost is used for giving the true or false boolean. Okay, the argument, basically it will give us the argument like true or false. Okay, so let's give here true, and what it will do, I'll show you. Okay, true. Now I have given the value true. Okay, the boolean value true. So what it will do is, when you run this activity, it should be pop up in front of you in the main display. So all the other activities or all the other applications are running, right? and and when you and you in front of you, that if you open that. Okay, and you need to pop up in front of in the main display, then you need to always give this true. So it got pop up in front of you in the main screen. Okay, and if you don't want to pop up in the main screen, you can give your value as a false also. Okay, this is the two thing you can do. Now the choose button is nothing but the when you run the activity, when you give the caption, when you text. Okay, and when you run it. Okay, after running it, the user has the option that like to choose the button, whether they have to continue it or they have to cancel the program. So they can it can be used like okay, yes or no, or cancel button. Okay, it displays here also in the description a string representing the press button in the message box dialog. It can be okay, yes, no, or cancel. Okay, so this is the use of this property. Okay, let me run it again. So this is the use of this properties. Okay, hope you